Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Thisistinuola, and today's video I'll be showing you how to go from this look into this. The first thing you need is a clean and well moisturized skin. The next step is to apply your primer. I'll be using this primer from Mary Kay, which has a SPF 15. You want to use a primer and generally makeup products from a trusted brand. Primers are important because it gives your face a smooth finish once you apply your makeup. And I love this primer because it doesn't feel greasy or oily at all, and it absorbs well into my skin and it leaves it moisturized. The next step is to apply either a CC cream or a foundation. I love using a CC cream instead of foundation for my everyday look, and this is because it gives my face a natural and light coverage. If you prefer a foundation, you can definitely use that for this step. A CC cream is basically a color corrector. It helps you with hyperpigmentation on your face, which I find a lot of black skin ladies have, including myself. So this CC cream also is sun protective, and I like that fact about it. And I'm just using my fingers to spread it all over my face. If you prefer to use a foundation brush for this step, you can definitely do so. I apply just a little quantity of the CC cream, about 2 squeeze, because if you apply too much, this CC cream can give you a very white or ashy look, which doesn't look very good. By the way, this video is not sponsored, in case you're wondering. Most of my makeup products are from Mary Kay because I just love the products, and I'm going to link them down below so you can have a link if you like to purchase any of them. The next step is your eyebrow. So I'm basically brushing out my eyebrows with a brow brush, and then I'll fill it up with a brow pencil. For an everyday look, I personally don't like my brows too heavy, so I like it looking natural. And in that case, I'm just filling my brows with my brow pencil, and I'm following the shape of it to just give it a fuller look. If you don't have a brow pencil and you have just like a brow liner, you can use that. What I do recommend is that you understand your brow shape, because every lady has different brow shape, right? So if you understand your brow shape and you also make sure your brows are well trimmed out, that way it's easier for you to just follow that shape, brush it out, follow that shape, and then draw out your brows and fill it in. And that's it for your brows. The next step, guys, is to apply your concealer. So I like to apply my concealer on dark spots on my face, or like areas on my face where light is going to reflect on, and these are features of my face that I like to be more pronounced. So for example, I have under my eyes, my nose bridge, my upper lip, my chin area. So those are the places I'll apply the concealer on. And with a tiny mouth brush, I'm also going to conceal under my brows to give it more definition. While you do that, you don't want to go into the eyebrow, right? So you just basically apply it as close as possible to the eyebrow, under the eyebrow. You need to blend all that concealer, right? So I'm basically giving my face a light punch with the beauty blender, keeping it in mind that you don't want to spread the concealer all over your face. So I'm just punching. And I'll use my foundation brush to further blend the concealer under my brows. Okay, so the next step is to set your face. I'll be using a translucent setting powder from Mary Kay. I like the powder because it has this shimmer to it. Oh my gosh, I look like a chipmunk. In the meantime, you can apply your eyeshadow. I don't wear eyeshadow frequently for an everyday look, to be honest. But if you must, if you feel like, you can definitely go for a nude color like this one. Now it's time to dust out all that excess setting powder. So just keep dusting off the translucent powder, and you want to do that, mildly. I'm loving this look so far. Yes. You need to go in with your bronzer. This is the time to highlight and contour. I'll be using this bronzer called Cocoa, and it's also from Mary Kay. I'm applying it on the edges of my forehead, my cheekbones, my jaws, and the corners of my nose. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? I'm totally judging you right now. Please subscribe. For highlighting, I'll be going with a copper color highlighter. It has an orange tone to it, which goes very well with black skin. Also, I'll further highlight my face with a honey glow highlighter, and it gives my face a more natural glow. Okay, lashes. So you can apply false lash if you want for an everyday look, but I prefer just using mascara on my my very scanty but gorgeous eyelashes. Finally, you can spray your face so you have a more mattifying look, and it allows your makeup to stay all day long on your face. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.